Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on the topic of physics of general science. So let's start. The SI unit of force is the answer is option C, Newton. A car travels 60 km in 1 hour. What is its speed in meter per second? The answer is option A, 16.67 meter per second. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? The correct answer is option D, distance. The unit of electrical resistance is, the answer is option C, ohm. A force of 10 Newton acts on a mass of 2 kg. What is the acceleration produced? The answer is option B, 5 meter per second square. Which mirror always forms a virtual image? The answer is option D, both B and C. The SI unit of power is, the correct answer is option C, watt. A body falls freely from rest. What is its velocity after 3 seconds? The correct answer is option C, 30 meter per second. Which color of light has the longest wavelength? The answer is option C, red. The lens used to correct myopia is, the correct answer is option B, concave lens. What is the work done by a force of 5 Newton moving an object by 2 meter in the direction of force? The answer is option C, 10 joule. The unit of frequency is, the answer is option C, hertz. A 100-watt bulb is used for 5 hours daily. What is the energy consumed in 30 days? The answer is option A, 15 kilowatt hour. Sound waves are, the answer is option B, longitudinal waves. The refractive index of water is 1.33. What is the speed of light in water? The answer is option A, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Which law states that pressure is transmitted equally in all directions in a fluid? The answer is option B, Pascal's law. A stone is thrown vertically upward with a velocity 20 meter per second. What is the maximum height reached? The answer is option B, 20 meter. The SI unit of electric charge is, the answer is option C, coulomb. Which device converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? The answer is option B, generator. A wire has resistance 10 ohm. If it is stretched to double its length, what is its new resistance? The answer is option D, 40 ohm. The unit of gravitational constant G is, The correct answer is option A, Newton meter square per kg square. A body of mass 1 kg has weight 9.1 Newton on Earth. What is its mass on Moon? The answer is option A, 1 kg. Which electromagnetic waves have the highest frequency? The answer is option D, gamma rays. The critical angle of water-air interface is 48.75 degree. What is its refractive index? The answer is option A, 1.33. Ohm's law states the correct answer is option B, I is equals to V by R. A 220 volt 100 watt bulb is connected to 110 volt supply. What is the power consumed? The answer is option A, 25 watt. The phenomena of light splitting into colors by a prism is called. The correct answer is option C, dispersion. What is the kinetic energy of 2 kg mass moving at 3 meter per second? The answer is option C, 9 joule. What is the unit of magnetic flask? The correct answer is option B, Weber. A train 100 meter long crosses a pole in 5 seconds. What is its speed in km per hour? The answer is option C, 72 km per hour. Which law explains the working of a rocket? The correct answer is option C, Newton's third law. The focal length of a convex lens is 20 cm. What is its power? The correct answer is option D, 5 diopter. A sound wave has frequency 1000 Hz and wavelength is 0.34 meter. What is its speed? The correct answer is option A, 340 meter per second. The SI unit of pressure is. The correct answer is option C, Pascal. A body floats in water with 3/4 of its volume submerged. What is its density? The correct answer is option C, 750 kg per meter cube. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles? The correct answer is option B, convex mirror. A current of 2 ampere flows through a 10 ohm resistor for 5 minutes. What is the heat produced? The correct answer is option D, 12,000 joule. The device that converts AC to DC is called. The answer is option B, rectifier. A ball is projected at 60 degree to horizontal with velocity 20 meter per second. What is its maximum height? The correct answer is option B, 15 meter. Which color of light deviates the most in a prism? The correct answer is option D, violet. The unit of specific heat capacity is. The correct answer is option B, joule per kg Kelvin. A man weighs 600 Newton on Earth. What is its weight on planet with g 2 meter per second square? The correct answer is option B, 120 Newton. The phenomenon due to which stars twinkle is. The correct answer is option C, atmospheric diffraction. 3 resistors, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. What is their equivalent resistance? Correct answer is option A, 1 ohm. The unit of electric potential difference is. The correct answer is option C, volt. A body moves with constant speed in a circular path. What is the work done by centripetal force in one revolution? The correct answer is option C, 0. The SI unit of inductance is. The correct answer is option C, Henry. A car accelerates from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second in 5 seconds. What is its acceleration? The answer is option C, 4 meter per second square. Which lens is used as magnifying glass? The answer is option B, convex lens. The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. What is the mass of 2 liters of water? The answer is option B, 2 kg. The unit of Planck constant is. The answer is option A, joule second. A spring extends by 2 cm when 4 Newton force is applied. What is spring's constant? The answer is option B, 200 Newton per meter. Which phenomenon explains why the sky appears blue? The correct answer is option C, scattering. The efficiency of a machine is 80%. If it does 400 joule of work, what is the input energy? The answer is option C, 500 joule. The unit of capacitance is. The answer is option B, farad. A body is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 30 meter per second. What is the time taken to reach maximum height? The answer is option C, 3 seconds. Which mirror can form both real and virtual images? The answer is option C, concave mirror. The power of a lens is -2 diopter. What is its focal length? The answer is option A, -50 centimeter. A wave has frequency 50 Hz and wavelength 4 meter. What is its time period? Correct answer is option A, 0.02 second. The unit of magnetic field strength is. The answer is option B, Tesla. A block of wood floats in water with 60% of its volume submerged. What is its density? The answer is option C, 600 kg per meter cube. Which law explains why we feel cold when we pour acetone on our hand? The answer is option D, latent heat of vaporization. A car moving at 20 meter per second applies brakes and stops in 4 seconds. What is the retardation? The answer is option D, 5 meter per second square. The unit of luminous intensity is. The answer is option C, candela. A convex lens forms a real image twice the size of object. If the focal length is 20 cm, what is the object distance? The answer is option C, 30 cm. The phenomena of total internal reflection is used in. The answer is option C, optical fibers. A body of mass 5 kg is lifted to height 10 meter. What is the potential energy gained? The answer is option B, 500 joule. The unit of angular velocity is. The answer is option B, radian per second. A stone is dropped from a height of 45 meter. What time does it take to reach the ground? The answer is option B, 3 seconds. Which device works on electromagnetic induction? The answer is option C, transformer. The unit of impulse is. The answer is option A, Newton second. A radioactive substance has half-life 2 hours. What fraction remains after 6 hours? The answer is option C, 1/8. The phenomenon of light bending around obstacle is called. The answer is option C, diffraction. A man runs 100 meter in 10 seconds. What is its average speed in km per hour? The answer is option D, 36 km per hour. The unit of torque is. The answer is option C, Newton meter. A body moves with uniform acceleration. Its velocity changes from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second in 5 seconds. What is the distance traveled? The answer is option B, 75 meter. Which lens is used to correct hypermetropia? The answer is option B, convex lens. The unit of electric field intensity is. The answer is option C, both A and B. A sound wave has wavelength 0.5 meter and speed 340 meter per second. What is its frequency? The answer is option B, 680 Hz. The unit of momentum is. The answer is option A, kg meter per second. A body completes 100 oscillation in 25 seconds. What is its time period? The answer is option A, 0.25 second. Which principle explains why ships float? The answer is option B, Archimedes principle. A current of 3 ampere flows through a conductor for 2 minutes. What is the charge passed? The answer is option D, 360 coulomb. The unit of gravitational potential is. The correct answer is option A, joule per kg. A ball is thrown horizontally from 20 meter height with a speed of 10 meter per second. What is its time of flight? The answer is option B, 2 seconds. Which phenomenon explains the formation of rainbows? The answer is option D, all of the above. The unit of coefficient of friction is. The answer is option B, dimensionless. A body moves in a circular radius 2 meter with speed of 4 meter per second. What is its centripetal acceleration? The answer is option D, 8 meter per second square. Which mirror always forms an erect image? The answer is option D, both B and C. The unit of surface tension is. The answer is option A, Newton per meter. A body weighs 50 Newton on Earth's surface. What is its weight on a height equals to Earth radius? The answer is option A, 12.5 Newton. The phenomenon of persistence of vision is used in. The answer is option C, cinema. A force of 20 Newton acts on area 4 meter per second square. What is the pressure? The answer is option A, 5 Pascal. The unit of specific gravity is. The answer is option C, dimensionless. A body moves with speed 10 meter per second for 5 seconds. Then 5 meter per second for 5 seconds. What is the average speed? The answer is option B, 12.5 meter per second. Which principle explains the lift of an airplane wing? The answer is option C, Bernoulli's principle. The unit of coefficient of linear expansion is. The answer is option B, per degree centigrade. A body has mass 2 kg and velocity 5 meter per second. What is its momentum? The answer is option C, 10 kg meter per second. The phenomenon of mirage is due to. The answer is option D, atmospheric refraction. The unit of Boltzmann constant is. The answer is option A, joule per Kelvin. If this video is informative, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel.